Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I make this plant pot. To make my flower pot I'll be reusing all the candle jars. Now I'll show you how I make this plant pot. So I cleaned the candle jar, it looks like that. I'll be using circle cardboard, circle fabric piece and pleating, which looks like that, and another fabric piece like that. And I'll be using hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. Now I'll create my flower pot. So first I'm applying hot glue on a cardboard circle piece like that all around and gluing this circle fabric piece on top like that. Next I'm cutting small notches all around the circle fabric piece edge like that all around. And I'm gluing these edges at the back of the cardboard like that all around. All of the fabric edges are glued on now, looks like that. Next, I will cover this jar with the fabric all around. I'm using this fabric strip and I will glue this fabric strip all around the jar. I'm applying hot glue on a jar there, a little bit off the edge, like that. And I'm leaving a little bit there on the edge at the bottom. Applying hot glue and I'm gluing this fabric all around this jar, like that. When I have reached the other side, I'm cutting fabric off, leaving a little bit extra, applying hot glue, folding the other edge inside like that, applying hot glue there on the edge like that, and gluing this edge to other edge. So it's neat finish, looks like that. Next, I'll create tiny notches on the edge of this fabric all around, like that. And I'll glue these edges down on the bottom of the jar, like that. I've glued down all of the fabric edges. Next I will glue on this cardboard circle there. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this cardboard all around like that. And I'm gluing this cardboard at the back of the jar there at the bottom so it hides all of the edges. So it's nice and neat. Next I will glue on this pleating. Looks like that all around the jar. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this pleating and I'm gluing this pleating at the edge of this jar. Applying hot glue at the back of this pleating and I'm gluing that edge down all around. When I have reached the other edge, then I'm cutting excess pleating off like that and gluing these pleats down at the back there, all of them like that. And I'm gluing this pleating at the back of this edge there, pressing it quite hard so it sticks well all around. And my flower pot is finished, looks like that. So this is the front and this is the back of the flower pot. I have filled these flower pots with the soil and I have planted aloe vera plants inside it. And here are my both flower pots finished. If you have any questions how I made these flower pots, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.